Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your microphone. First, identify your microphone's connection type. Most common are USB for direct computer connection or XLR for audio interfaces. Next, locate the appropriate input port on your device. For USB, it's a standard USB port. For XLR, it's a 3-pin connector. Finally, plug your microphone cable firmly into the correct port, ensuring a secure connection. Once connected, ensure your microphone has power. USB microphones draw power directly from your computer. XLR microphones often require phantom power, typically 48 volts, supplied by your audio interface or mixer. Now, open your computer's sound settings or your preferred audio recording software. From there, select your newly connected microphone as the primary input device for sound capture. With your microphone selected, it's time to test. Speak naturally into the microphone while observing your audio levels. Adjust the gain or input volume on your interface or software to ensure the signal is strong but not peaking, which causes distortion. Proper positioning is key. Generally, speaking a few inches from the microphone yields the best results, avoiding plosives and background noise. If you encounter issues, start by checking all cable connections. A loose cable is a common culprit for a non-working microphone. Next, ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause detection problems or poor performance. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer can resolve minor glitches. And hey, while you're optimizing your setup, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.